Hello and welcome back to Cat Goes Fishing. And same thing as usual, just gonna catch some fish, just record Cat Goes Fishing. I don't know. I need that angler. It seems early, but I don't care. Hey, you Mr. Redfish. No! I must have the Mr. Redfish. That Mr. Redfish. Ah. Grumper is attracted to my bait. Get wrecked. Mr. Redfish, no! Where are you, Mr. Redfish? There you are, Mr. Redfish. Oh, wow. Just almost ate both of them. Even though the fish don't eat in this case. That's like the... Oh, come on. Come on. Really? Really? I just need bait. I just need bait. But really? Really? Just gonna back it up a bit. Just toss it on. I really wish this cop wasn't here. It's really annoying. Hey, yo, mustard fish. Yo, mustard fish. I need you. I need you in my life. Thank you. Rocket bomb. Just gonna go to the edge where I can go. Bam. Time to get an angle. Time to get an angle. No. 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 Okay, that's a maw. Oh, come on! I need a huge hook to catch a maw. Wait, do I need a large... Okay, anglerfish is large. I've seen a shark, tiger shark, and a mocha. That's... Oh, 120. 85, but 120. That's so much. So much. I know people get like a ton of money just like one go, but red scritter. About you? Just can't even see it. Can't even see it. Okay, good. Yo, baitfish. Baitfish. No, you're not baitfish. None of you are baitfish. That guy. No! Yes, you. No, not you. Hey, caramba. Every single time. Yeah, I got bait for once. Okay. Okay. Great. Bomb in a rocket. Get a bomb in a rocket. Run into that maw again. So I want that angler. It's 14K for crying out loud. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, come on. Come on. That really had to happen. Oh, come on. What are, oh, come on. I need a larger hook. Yes, I know that. Just turned into bait for me. I'm probably gonna try and catch that shark. Probably gonna try and catch that shark on the racket. I'm so poor right now. I just want to catch that angler. And an angler. Give me that angler. Ha. Okay, fine. Aluminum. Pretty decent. This is 12K. Don't. It's okay though. So, I'm gonna take it. Still need to catch the cat then. Pretty expensive. Do I have any sauce? Goldfish. Leo fish. Still need to catch a whole lumina and a whole sibilfin. Miss all that. New quest. Catch a shark? What? So I'm not ready for that. Have to blow my nose off. Blow my nose. On so annoying. So annoying. It's just like you're recording and you're like your nose starts turning off your face. But I'm gonna catch that shark. Whoa. Ah, hate that. New truck. I don't waste it. But I don't waste this tortilla. I could have caught that tiger shark, but I need a shark. And I need live bait. Shark eats live bait. I know this. Just wasted 5K. Ay, caramba. Yeah. That's so annoying. My cough is so annoying. I think I know what I'm gonna do for my cough. Turn my... Okay, you're decent. wish I could catch grumpers now. They're like the big fish. Same with the mustard fish. How am I gonna do this? Go laugh at you. You chuck you. Send you out. Try and catch a medium fish. I wish I could catch that jumper. Okay, fine. Fine. Just turn him. I wish I was just full of money. Hey, you little guy. Little guy. You little red guy. Little any guy. Little any fish. Yay. Got a little fish. Got a little fish that's worth 15K. And where is fishy? Yay. No! Ha, you didn't get my bait. Ha, you're gonna starve to death now. Ha, eat it. But unchained. No pun intended. Yes, yay, got it. Thanks. The rocket. Gonna hook you just in case. Just in case I can catch that ball. Just in case. Nope. Hope that shark doesn't come around. I want that maw. I want that maw. Did I even do it? Did I try that? See? This would be distraction. Is anything down here? Come on, Ma. Ma. Anglers. Yes! Yes! I got the angler! No! Shark! Don't eat it! Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Gotta booyah. There's an angler. Don't mess this up. Yes! And get on the boat! Awesome! Awesome! Just gonna go and catch some bait fish. Bait! Come here, bait. Thank you. I wish I could, like, make grumpers eat my bait. That's what they should do. When you have a repel, you should have to make them. Like, just put it in front of their face and like, okay. Just eat it. That's what it should be. There. Now you don't have to hear me cough because I have my thing down. I have it down on the ground. It's an angler. Another tangler. I wish I didn't have this bomb on my line. Catch fish. What was that? What were those? What was that fish that swam by? Ah, eat it. Eat it, boy. Oh! Shark! Shark! Baseball captain! Oh, it's just a hat. Occasionally casserole. Holy cow, 80. Why is that so much? I'm actually gonna take this one. What I'm doing is I'm literally just turning off my mic whenever I just start coughing. A bomb, rocket, hook. I'm catching that shark. Or the moth. Or the moth. Whoa! Oh, it's a cardinal. Cardinals thing. Bam! Ha. 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 It's a moth. It's a moth. I just saw a moth. Yo, moth. I'm literally gonna sit here until the moth comes over. If it will even do that. Ma, please, please, I want 180. I want that money. I want that money. Alumina. If the shark could get my Lumina, then I'd be fine with it. Hey, you Lumina. You wanna be sharky bait? You wanna be sharky bait? Wanna be a bait for some sharky? You wanna be a bait for a shark? Am I even moving? Yes! Yes! I got a shark! Everything's afraid of the shark. It's like, hello, mate. I'm a shark. Yeah. Sell. Look at that cash. Oh, a tiger shark. Oh, look at that cash. Tiger shark. A moga. Why am I getting such hard quests? Why? Why? A detonator. Useful. Improvement, that's all. Let's update. Should I get the better boat? Should I get the better boat? But I caught the shark. The shark. I'm probably just gonna leave that off here. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next video. Good